Here we have a 2018 BMW 540i xDrive M Sport, finished in a black sapphire metallic exterior paintwork. You've got four 20-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, as you can see just there, complemented by the blue M Sports calipers just behind. As we come to the front here, you'll notice we've got a full M Performance styling kit on this vehicle, which includes the front splitter, the side skirts, and a couple more bits at the rear. We've then got our chrome kidney grills. Coming around to this corner, we've got our second 20-inch alloy wheel, again excellent condition. M badging just above, the side skirt at the bottom there. We've then got the colour-coded wing mirror with the colour-coded door handles with the chrome accents, black trim around the windows of the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Here's a quick look at that interior whilst we're working our way around. We've then got our third alloy wheel. As we come up, we've got our spoiler lip just there. Now, we've then got our dual exit exhaust, one on either side, 540i badging. We do have both front and rear parking sensors, as well as a reversing camera. We've then got our fourth alloy wheel, which we will go up and see closely soon, but as you can see, the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. We've also got the shark fin antenna on top. Now there's a closer look at that last alloy wheel. If we go on to the interior next, we have got a full ivory leather interior. Just open up the door, and it's a good point to show you that we do actually have a display key with this vehicle. Really fancy bit of kit. There you go, we can actually change different things on here. I'll just show you briefly. Open it up, we've got the vehicle information, range information, and we can actually set the temperature controls with times as well. Now if we go inside, we have got the full ivory white interior. How fantastic does this look with those seams as well? Really fantastic in here. Fold down armrest in the middle. On the doors, we've got our integrated Harman Kardon sound system, which is the uprated sound system, so it sounds superb. Electric window control as well. If we come into the front here, we've got that same leather interior. Again, how fantastic do these seats look? Really classy spec on this car. We've got that same premium Harman Kardon sound system, unlock and lock button. We've got the piano black trim. We've also got our electric window controls and power folding wing mirrors. Now if we step inside, you'll see that the vehicle has covered just over 21,100 miles, and I'll start the vehicle up. We have got keyless start. There we go, and as you can see, shortly we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. There we go. Now if we take a step back, we have got our multifunctional steering wheel, different controls like cruise control, speed limiter, phone controls, volume controls, paddle shifters just behind for taking manual control of your gears, auto lights on the right, auto wipers on the right of the steering wheel, and as you can tell, we have got a digital display just here, which will change depending on which mode we're in. So if we're in sport, for example, it'll go red. We've got comfort, which gives us that classic look, and then the blue for the Eco Pro as well. Really nice features. Now if we come into the middle here, we've got our infotainment screen. So on here you'll find things like navigation just there. We've then got our media. So on here you'll find things like DAB, FM and AM radio. You've then got your music collection, CD/DVD, Bluetooth audio and screen mirroring, as well as USB. Plenty of ways to connect your devices and listen to music. We've then got our phone connectivity as well. Now, if I put the vehicle into reverse, like so, you'll see that we've got our reversing camera, as well as a visual display of both front and rear sensors there too. Now, we've also got our intelligent safety. So if I go home here, press intelligent safety, you'll see just there, I can turn that all on like so, making this a very safe vehicle to drive about. Coming down, we've got our stereo controls, traffic alerts on the left, dual zone climate controls just below, so we can control each side of the vehicle's temperature independently. Heated seats for both front passengers, as you can see, are just there. We've then got our wireless charging, as well as two good sized cup holders and 12-volt connectivity. We've got shortcuts here for the infotainment screen, as well as touchpad and control wheel. We've got our gear stick, traction control, different mode selects. So those are what I showed you before, the Sports, Comfort and Eco Pro. We've then got a button for our parking sensors, as well as our electric handbrake. Now we've got a soft touch leather armrest, which does also double up as storage too. So the vehicle is ready to drive away today with free next day nationwide contactless delivery, competitive low finance, fresh service. It's got MOT as well, and it's also HPI clear. That's all from me on today's video. Thank you for watching.